car is looking magnificent as always. What is going on, YouTube? So we got parts in. Finally gonna get her running. Well, she's been running, but I haven't drove her because of the headlight. But I can't really drive like that, guys. I need light. So let's see if I can one-handed. There you go. We got new ballast and replacement bulbs because that front headlight doesn't work. So we're gonna get those swapped out real quick. Finally, something brighter too, because those were really dim, really old. And I picked up spacers. So I don't know if you guys can see, but my fitment's like a tad bit off. Well, it's not a tad bit, it's a lot bit off, but especially the front. I think I might even, I don't want to run anything bigger than a 1-inch, but it is gonna need business over here. Oh, what the hell is this? Get this out the way. So, let me get the jack. We're gonna need this. Take these for a walk, guys, in the mornings. You know how it is. All the neighbors are sleeping. It's all good though. But check out these spacers, man. They're cool, man. I really like them because they come with Loctite already. Thread locker. Guys, if you guys are ever putting on spacers, please use thread locker. I personally don't trust them too much, but I had them on another Mustang that I owned, and I never had a single issue. So we're gonna throw them on, and we're about to see what's up with them. But I'm gonna see, guys, if I could go for a little drive today. I really want to take the car out today, go for a little cruise or something. I have to finish gutting the back as well. But yeah, you know, let's get to work. You already know, man, headlights, I literally have to take off the whole bumper. It's so annoying, but it is what it is, guys. Let's get her done. Let's drop the new bulbs in, throw the spacers on, get some good fitment, get some good lighting. Hell yeah, man, I'm hyped. Let's get it. One more thing, guys, please like and subscribe. It takes a lot for me to come out and make these videos. Look, I'm still here in my work clothes. I'm dirty, man. I get straight off of work and I'm already plotting, thinking. I really want to record stuff for you guys. So, you know, it takes a lot of my time, but I'm trying, guys. So if you guys are able to, you know, like and subscribe, guys. Thank you. So if you guys know anything about this car, you guys know I have the worst luck with it. Oh, man. I got the wrong hub size bolt, man. Jesus Christ. It's all good though, guys. But it is what it is, guys. Let's put the wheel back on, and I'm gonna get the bulbs on either way. So the car is gonna run because it's gonna run regardless. So I guess we could just sell those, or I'll give them to the. We'll just sell those, or I'll give them to the homie. He should be pulling up anytime soon, and then we can go cruise or some shit. We'll see what we do. But I'm gonna put the wheel back on, and then start up taking off the bumper so that we can get those bulbs in. I really hope those are the right ones now too, because I'm starting to be like, this is the bad luck G35, guys. For some reason, man, it's always something with her. Always like second try. I'll always get it like on the second try. So it's all good though, guys. We learn. I've learned a lot, so it's all good. Let's put this back on, and then I'm gonna start taking off the front bumper so I can get those headlights off and get those new bulbs in. We got the G out of the garage. Got the Mustang in. Better get coilovers up front. So the spacers did not fit, sadly. So we're going probably another week with bad fitment, but it's all good. We're gonna take off the bumper as well, and you put on those new headlight bulbs. These ones. Excuse me. And we're gonna see. Hopefully that works. Thanks, bro. I'm about to see what's up with it though. Let me take off the bumper real quick. Goddamn. Estoy muriendo, güey. Take off the bumper, and then I'm gonna see if I can change the bulbs out of the headlights. Alright, guys, so I just got the headlight off. I'm gonna change the ballast, this shit, and then the bulb from up here, this one. I gotta change both of those because they're cooked. So Let's drop it in. See how it goes. We're missing parts from the coilovers, so no shit ain't getting on either. You got so no good fitment for either one of us today.
I think all that's fine.
But I got headlights now. Let me show you guys. Check this out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. But hell yeah, guys, we're gonna put our cars back together. Here we go, cruising or some shit, you feel me? Alright, what's up guys? So it's the following day. We didn't get much content that night, but I'm gonna take the car out for a drive today. I gotta take my girl to the mall and stuff like that, so she's fired up, she's running good, she sounds amazing. Let's see what she does, you know, do a few pulls, see how she feels, and just first actual drive, because I got headlights now, so I'm actually excited, guys. Let's get it. Guys, so we got her out. Car is looking magnificent as always. Still gotta, I'm gonna paint the Brembos. I was really thinking of doing red. I think I am gonna end up going with red, but other than that, guys, I love how the car sits right now. I need a better tire in the rear. This one's bald. But yeah, guys, it's topping off. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna, I gotta go down the mall and stuff. I can pick up some stuff from my girl. She's in there chilling. But, oh yeah, dude, I thought I'd continue the vlog. A little day in the life, you know. Beautiful outside, it feels good. But, still going. It's all good though. There you go. Receipt, no. Nope. Gas cap looks pretty cooked, but it's all good. And let's get it. Alright guys, back home. That was fun. We had some fun with this thing. Gotta pull the clips out and edit for you guys, but as you guys know, I got a truck too. Damn, she needs maintenance. But bad news for the G guys. That's oil. I got no idea where that's coming from, so I guess he's going back to retirement. But I'm getting real over all the issues this motor's giving me, and I'm kind of just like, all this money I'm investing into trying to get this motor to work, I think I'm just gonna start looking for a new motor, guys, because it's costing me a lot of money to keep this one alive, and stuff like this keeps happening, and I'm really tired of it already. So I think I'm gonna just start looking for a new motor for the G. If you guys have any information on like swapping a G from, let's say, maybe I'm not too sure if I should go with another DE. If I do another DE, I do want to boost, but if I do another HR, I'd probably boost too. But what do you guys think would be better? I don't know how difficult it is to HR swap. I don't really know where that falls in. I've never done a swap in my life, and I figured it'd be kind of cool to experience something like that, you know? But I'm over it. I want the car to run good. I want it to feel good. I want it to handle power. I really want to tune it, but I'm scared that this motor's not going to be able to take it. The motor does have 179,000 miles, and stuff like that keeps happening for the same reason, you know? So I'm just going to start looking for a new motor. I'm going to pull one, rebuild it. This time I'm talking we're going to do headers. I'm going to do a hella upgrades to it, and then we're going to drop the motor in the right way. The previous owner that owned my car, they've had the car for most of the time, and they did shit maintenance on the car, everything. So the motor always sounds like it's knocking or it's making weird noises, and I'm kind of tired of it. It's embarrassing. I just want the car to be running good. I want it to feel good. I want it to breathe good. I don't want it to choke, and sometimes it does. So I think that's just going to be our best bet, you know? But with that being said, guys, I'm going to cut this video. It's going to be the end of this vlog. I got to do an oil change on my truck, but I doubt you guys want to see an oil change on LS. So I'm just going to cut the video here. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, you know. I'll keep you guys updated on that motor stuff, you know. I'm really excited. But if anybody has any information on HR swapping a G35, drop it down below, as well as LS swapping, because you never know, man, you know. Who knows, man, you know. I run into it. I got a perfect 6.0. We'll drop it in an LS one, a 5.7 or something like that. It's doable, man. I've seen it before, and it's reliable, it's power, and it'd be kind of cool because my truck has an LS in it. So if you guys have any of those swaps, please contact me. Drop information down below, guys. Anything is like, I appreciate anything, as well as criticism for my videos, guys, because I'm trying to get this popping for you guys. But tap in, let me know, and let's get it, man. You already know. Subscribe.